Hey, what's going on, guys? So in this video, I am going to show you how to post a live photo, on Instagram. So this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. Okay, so first let's go ahead and open up Instagram. Now we can swipe to the right and tap on boomerang. Now you can start taking your live photo and wait for it to process. And now you have a live photo. Now all you have to do is tap on the next arrow and tap on share. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.